Greetings from Springfield, USA. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're at Universal Studios.
I'm so totally cheesy right now, but like I forgot to get tell her this best.
We're smiling, we promise.
Yes, we are. First, we're getting breakfast. We need to get something in this stomach of ours.
We gotta eat before we get on the coasters.
Yes, and then we're gonna start our day off with the mummy.
Like always.
Yep.
And hopefully the rain will hold out for a few hours today. It's looking pretty good, so we'll be able to get on a lot of rides, and we'll see you soon.
Having some problems there? Look at that.
We just got off the mummy.
It was pretty fast. And then Scream.
You did scream. Yes, you did. It was super fun and super fast. We're heading over to Rip Ride Rocket while the weather's still good. It was so good.
Yes, it was.
Hey, my name was Hagrid. Welcome back, everybody.
Just got done on Rip Ride Rocket.
Yes, and I might have screamed a little bit.
They gave us the back row again.
I was able to actually better control how my head was bouncing on the back seat.
Yeah, last time they put us in row 6, I think I got a little concussion. So this time I have my head away from the seat because it hurt last time.
Yeah.
It was pretty bad.
It did.
But that back row got me. I had to take my Dramamine, so it got me. And it's starting to sprinkle, so we're heading to some indoor rides. Parade! It's a parade, yay! Oh, it's pets.
Hey, guys.
Hey! Let's see if he's home. Annoying creature. He's like,
Okay.
I didn't know you knocked on the door to get him to come out. I thought he was out the other day.
I saw somebody else do that.
That raggedy old thing.
Has she ever came out before? Like in the movies?
What do you mean?
Like has it ever shown in the movies?
Shown him in the movies?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's that nasty house elf at the Sirius's. That's the Sirius place. For the Order of the Phoenix, that hidden place where the buildings open up.
Yeah, okay. Man.
That's why that one looks different. It's a different brick color.
It says new MIT recruits. Hey, looks like someone's scraping the bottom of the human resource pool. Check this out. Take me to your leader.
Dang.
Yeah.
He beat me! We're so average.
Alright. So we did some Men in Black. It was a fun time. It was a fun time in there, right? Yeah. Fun time.
Somebody won.
I wasn't gonna rub it in. I said it was a fun time.
Transformers. We got some coffee, we got some ice cream, Transformers, E.T.
Yeah, so now it's time to go save the world on our planet, and then we're gonna help E.T. save the world on his
On
planet.
his place, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, team, thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base.
Good to do that.
Ooh, this way. To E.T. Oh, it's Puss in Boots. Puss in Boots. His sword's like a little bent. Ooh, I wonder what they're doing. Am I gonna commercial? Probably. Thank you. It's Patrick. What's up? What's up? Look at these two buds back together again.
You gotta get me talking to him.
Yeah. Catch up with you, buddy.
Yeah. You gotta get the picture.
Alright guys, we went and saved the world. Saved our world at Transformers.
Yeah.
And then we saved
DTs.
Yeah, we went and saved DT so he could save his world.
And now we went on a magical journey over into the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
Alright. We've got Forbidden Journey in a little bit. Hopefully we can get on Hagrids.
We're gonna watch out for any Dementors. Hopefully they don't mess with the ride like they did last time.
And might get on a couple water rides and grab some lunch.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, so food was straight. So I end up getting the beef pasties with the salad, and they end up getting the kids fish and chips. So what we ended up doing was she ended up taking my salad because I did not want a salad. I wanted roasted potatoes, so I got a side of that, and I took a little bit of her fries, and she took my salad. So how was your food?
Really good. It was just enough too. The lady said that they're still considered quick service, so there's no tipping allowed, but they do bring you your food and they take care of it for you too. So you don't do anything, you just sit down, they bring it to you, they'll bring you extra ketchup, whatever you need, and then they take your tray away too. But they don't accept tips right now, it's a big no-no. Do, 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 do. Oh my gosh.
Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scrooge before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
Got off at Hagrid's.
Yes, yes, and let me tell you, it feels good. That breeze when it like kicks you off, that good fast takeoff, it's great. But when you slow down, that heat comes in, you're like, pick it back up. We're gonna hit Jurassic Park and possibly the Hulk just to give us that little bit of air dry, you know.
Yeah, it is dry.
And then a yeah.
This is coming together.
Probably where we should have came for Tim. I'm pretty sure Tim was in this spot.
Yeah, we'll have to watch the Tim tracker later to see what he says about this coaster and how far they've come. Oh my gosh.
Once you step inside the Discovery Center, you are the paleontologist, sharing in all the exciting discoveries we've made in our quest to bring Jurassic Park to life.
8 hours. It's been hot.
About 8 hours.
It's been super hot. But we did get a virtual line for Hagrid's, and it didn't rain us out this time.
Yeah.
We got on everything we wanted to get on.
Yeah, the only we didn't do today was Tom, Dudley Do Right, and Spider-Man, right?
Oh, and the Poseidon show.
Yeah, we didn't do that one.
Because we were already wet, and that's a really cold theater.
Yeah. Being there like shivering half of the time.
Alright, well we're gonna head out, we're gonna hit the gym and have some movie night.
Yeah, and till next time. We'll see you guys soon.
Now you may undo your seatbelts and exit the ride as happy, relaxed, and gullible as when you entered.